Know that fraction is what many students struggle with. A lot of persons struggle with fraction. In this tutorial, you'll be learning about types of fraction. We have three major types of fraction, which we'll be learning in this tutorial. Now, the first one I want to start with is called the proper fraction. So, what is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is a type of fraction where the numerator is smaller in size than the denominator. You know that your fraction has something like this, a over b. This a is called what? It's called the numerator, and the b is called the denominator. So when the a is smaller than the b, we call it what? A proper fraction. So my examples are 2 over 3, 5 over 6, 7 over 9, and so on. So when you see something like this where the numerator is smaller than the denominator, you call that a what? A proper fraction. The next one we have is called the improper fraction. Improper fraction. The improper fraction is just the direct opposite of the proper fraction, which means the denominator is bigger in size than the numerator. Now let's look at an example here. Like this one, we have 2 over 3. For improper fraction, it will be 3 over 2. This one will be 6 over 5. This one will be 9 over 7. So the numerators are what? Are larger in size than the denominator. So let's look at the third one, which is called the mixed fraction. These are popular types of fraction. The mixed fraction. So what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction comprises of a proper fraction and a whole number. A mixed fraction is made up of what? A proper fraction and a whole number. Now let's look at some examples of a mixed fraction. We have one whole number, 1 over 2, 3 whole number, 2 over 5, 6 whole number, 1 over 3. Now all of these are called what? Mixed fraction, because one, they are combined with what? A proper fraction and what? A whole number. So these are the major types of fraction you get to meet when you are dealing with your simplification at any level in mathematics. Whatever level you find yourself, you get to meet these fractions over and over again. So from this tutorial, I believe you've been able to learn something about the three major types of fraction we have. So that when you meet them subsequently, you'll be able to confront them headlong. Do like our content, share with others so that they can also learn with you. Thank you.